To delete a Grubhub account, start by signing in to your account on the Grubhub website or mobile app. Navigate to the Account Settings section, which is usually located at the top right corner of the web page or under the profile icon on the mobile app. Click on the Account Settings option and then select the Account Information or Profile section. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the Delete Account or Deactivate Account option. Click on this option and follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your account. You may be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account or to confirm your password. Once you have confirmed that you want to delete your account, Grubhub will send a verification email to the email address associated with your account. Open this email and click on the verification link to complete the account deletion process. It is essential to note that deleting your Grubhub account will also cancel any pending or upcoming orders. If you have any gift cards or credits associated with your account, they will be forfeited when you delete your account. Before deleting your account, make sure to cancel any recurring subscriptions or payments associated with your account. You can do this by going to the Payments or Subscriptions section of your account settings. Deleting your Grubhub account will remove all of your personal and order information from the Grubhub database. However, some information may be retained for legal or business purposes. To avoid any issues, make sure to review Grubhub's terms of service and privacy policy before deleting your account. If you have any questions or concerns about the account deletion process, you can contact Grubhub customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily delete your Grubhub account and remove all of your personal and order information from the Grubhub database.